अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। Today we will continue the yesterday lesson. We could not finish yesterday. Please switch off your mic so I can continue. Please help to mute your mics. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yesterday we learned about the family, and today we will continue the same lesson. And inshallah we'll finish today. And please don't write on the board. If you will write, I cannot remove here. Man anta. Man anta, who are you? Man mean who? Who are you? Man anta ana khatibu salwa. So this is a dialogue between the Mahirun and Saidun. Man anta, who are you? Ana khatibu salwa. Ana khatibu salwa. I am fiance of Salwa. Khatibu, fiance of Salwa. Adinun, man anta. Who are you? Ana ibnu Sa'din. Ana ibnu Sa'din. I am the son of Sa'd. Ibnu means son. Ibnu Sa'd. I am the son of Sa'd. Hanau. Man anti. Who are you? Anti we use for the feminine. Man anti, who are you? Huda replies, Ana zawjatu malikun. Ana zawjatu malikun. Zawja means zawjatu wife. I am wife of the Malik. Zawjatu malikin. I am the wife of the Malik. So in this lesson we are learning the names of the relations. Ibnu, Zawjatu, Khatibu, Khatibatun, Urusun. So we will learn the name of the relations. Ana Zawjatu Malikin. I am the wife of the Malik. Muniratu, man anti. Who are you? Ana Urusu Muradin. Ana Urusu Muradin. I am the bride of the Murad. I am bride of the Murad. Urusu means bride. Man anti. Who are you? Ana hafidatu mazin. Ana hafidatu mazin. Hafidatu granddaughter. Ana hafidatu Malik. I am granddaughter of Mazin. Ana hafidatu Mazinin. I am the granddaughter of Mazin. Hafidun grandson. I am grandson of Mazin. So man zalika. Zalika that we use for the this is ism ashara we use for the people far from you. So you point out man zalika. Who is that? Man zalika rajulu. Man zalika rajulu. Who is that man? Ar rajulu man. So that man. Who is that man? Zalika abi. Zalika abi. That is my father. Abi, my father. Okay. Waman tilkal mar'atu. Tilka is the same meaning that we use for the feminine. Zalika we use for the masculine, for male, for masculine. Tilka we use for the feminine. Waman tilkal mar'atu. And who is that woman? Who is that woman? Mir'atu woman. Tilkal mir'atu that woman. Tilka ummi. Tilka ummi. That is my mother. Ummi my mother. That is my mother. Faman zalikal waladu. And who is that boy? Waladu boy. Who is that boy? Arifun. Huwa qaribi. Huwa qaribi. He is he is qaribi, my relative. My relative. Huwa qaribi. He is my relative. Waman tilkal bintu. Waman tilkal bintu. And who is that girl? Bintu means girl. That girl. Who is that girl? Hiya bintul khalati. Hiya bintul khalati. She is my cousin. Bintul khalati, my cousin. Now we move forward. Ibnu man haza. Ibnu man haza. Whose son is this? Whose son is this? Ibnu son man haza. Whose son is this? Hazabnu Sadiqi. Hazabnu, this is the son of Sadiqi, my friend. So, Ibnu Sadiqi, my friend's son. Ibnu Sadiqi. Marhaban bihi, welcome. Ma jinsiyatuhu. Marhaban bihi, he is welcome. He is welcome. He is welcome. Ma jinsiyatuhi. Ma mean what? Jinsiyatuhi. Jinsiyatuhi, his nationality. What is his nationality? Huwa Kanadiyun. Huwa Kanadiyun. He is Canadian. He is Canadian. Wama amaluhu. Wama amaluhu. And what is his job? His work. Amaluhu, his job. Work. And what is his job? Huwa talibun. He is a student. He is a student. Talibun, student. Masculine we use for the female, for the male. Masculine. He is a student. Wama amalu walidihi. Wama and what amalu work walidihi, his father. So we will translate this. And what job his father have? What job his father have? Waliduhu, his father is Waliduhu. So Waliduhu means Walidu, his father. Mudarrisun, his father is his father is a teacher. His father is a teacher. Huwa Mahmudun, he is Mahmud. He is Hiya Hanau, she is Hana. So huwa we use for male, he. Here we use for feminine, she. Huwa walidun, he is father. Walidun, father, he is a father. Hiya walidatun, she is a mother. She is a mother. Huwa talibun, he is a student. Hiya talibatun, she is a student. She is a student. Huwa mudarrisun, he is a teacher. Hiya mudarrisatun, she is a teacher. And now this is the exercise of Zalika and Tilka. Zalika mean that, Tilka mean also that. Tilka we use for the feminine. Tilka we use for the feminine. Zalika we use for the masculine. The Zalika we use for the masculine. Tilka we use for the feminine. Both have the same meaning. That. Zalika walidun, that is a father. Tilka walidatun, that is a mother. Zalika talibun, that is a student. Tilka talibatun, that is a student. So this tilka we use for the feminine. Zalika mudarrisun, tilka mudarrisatun. Okay. Ibn. Ibnu Sa'id Sadin, son of Saad. Sons, Saad son. Walidun, walidu wa'ilin, Wail's father. Wail's father. Urusu, Urusun, bride. Urusu Munirin, Munir's bride. Munir's bride. Khalun uncle, Khalun uncle. So Khalu Saidin, Said's uncle. Said's uncle. Uncle of Said. Zawjatun, wife. Zawjatubnika, Zawja Tubnika, your daughter's wife, your son's wife. Ibnika, your son. Zawjatu, your son's wife. Bintu Ammika, Bintu Ammika, this is uncle's daughter, so we call it cousin. Okay. Next is Sadiqun. सदीकुन खालिकी, सदीकु खालिकी, फ्रेंड ऑफ अंकल, सदीकु खालिकी, फ्रेंड ऑफ योर अंकल। बिंतु अम्मी की, डॉटर ऑफ योर अंकल। वाइफ ऑफ योर सन, ज़ौजतु तुबनिका, वाइफ ऑफ योर सन। उख्तुस सदीक, उख्तुस सदीक, फ्रेंड्स डॉटर, फ्रेंड्स डॉटर। खतीबतुल खाल, अंकल्स fiance। जद्दतुन, जद्दतुन ग्रैंड मदर, जद्दतुन तालिबी, तालिब, तालिब्स ग्रैंड मदर। इब्नतुल मुदर्रिसी, टीचर्स डॉटर। So here are some examples. Hazabnu wa'ilin, hazabnu wa'ilin, this is Wail's son, this is Wail's son. हाजी हिब्नतु हुसामिन, हाजी हिब्नतु हुसामिन, दिस इज हिसाम डॉटर, इब्नतु डॉटर, दिस इज हिसाम्स डॉटर। अना वालिदु जमालिन, अना आई एम वालिदु फादर, जमालिन जमाल्स, आई एम फादर ऑफ जमाल, फादर ऑफ जमाल। हिया उख्तु जुहैरिन, हिया शी is Zuhair's daughter, sorry, is Zuhair's sister. Haza ibn Salma. This is Salma's son. This is Salman's son. Haza zawju Salwa. Haza zawju. This is fiance. This is fiance of Salwa. Hazihi ukhtuki. Ukhtuki. Your daughter. This is your daughter. Kaifa walidatuka. Kaifa walidatuka. How is your father? So now we ask about the condition. How is your father? Okay. How is your father? هذه عائلة مدرسي. هذه عائلة مدرسي. This is my teachers. مدرسي my teachers. My teacher's family. هذه عائلة مدرسي. This is my teacher's family. تلك عائلة خالتي ماهر. Tilka, that family. Tilka ailatu khalati mahirin. That is family of Mahir, Mahir's aunt. That is the family of Mahir's aunt. Khalati Mahirin, Mahir aunt. That is family of Mahir's aunt. Zalika ibnu ammi baha. Zalika ibnu ammi baha. That is Baha's cousin. That is Baha's cousin. Ibnu cousin. Ibnu cousin. Cousin. So Ibnu means cousin. Okay. Hal tabnu ukhti adilin. Hal tabnu ukhti adilin. Ibnu ukhti, nephew. Ibnu ukhti's nephew. Do you nephew of Adil? Ma zawjatu man haza? Zawjatu man haza? Whose wife is this? Hazihi zawjatu Khalidin. This is Khalid's wife. Walidatu man hazihi? Walidatu man hazihi? This is whose mother? Whose mother is this? Hazihi walidatu Malikin. This is Malik's mother. Whose mother is this? This is Malik's mother. So this is the exercise Abun. Abun, father. Abi, my father. Father. Abi, my father. So we use pronoun here. Abuka, your father. Your father. Abu Hamid, Hamid's father. Hamid's father. Akhun, brother. Akhi, my brother. Akhuka, your brother. Akhu Hamid, Hamid's brother. So we don't use here anta, or we don't use here my. We use here ya and ka. These are the pronouns. So we use the pronouns here. Kaifa abuka? How is your father? Kaifa abuka? How is your father? How is your father? Abi bi khairin walhamdulillah. My father is fine, alhamdulillah. Kaifa akhuka? How is your brother? How is your brother? Akhi bi khairin. My brother is fine. Walhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, my brother is fine. Man anta? Ana Abu Sa'adin. Ana Abu Sa'adin. I am the father of Sa'ad. Abu Sa'adin, father of Sa'ad. Father of Sa'ad. Haza Abi. Haza Abi, this is my father. Wa haza abuka, and that is your and this is your father. This is my father, and this is your father. Wa zalika Abu Nabilin. Was Zalika, and that is Abu Nabilin, Nabil's father. Zalika Abu Nabilin, that is Abu, that is father mother of Nabil. Haza akhi, this is my brother. Wa haza akhuki. Wa haza akhuki, and this is your brother. Wa zalika akhu Munirin. Wa zalika akhu Munirin, and that is Munir's brother. That is Munir's brother. Zalika, that Akhu brother Munir. So Zalika Akhu Munirin, that is Munir's brother. Hada Shakirun, this is Shakir. Wazalika Akhuhu, and that is his brother. Akhuhu, his brother. Wazalika Akhuhu, and that is his brother. Wahadihi Nahlatu, and this is Nahla. Wazalika Abuha, and that is her father. Wazalika Abuha, and that is her father. Abuha, her father. Her father. Min aina abuki. Min aina abuki. Abi minal Hind. Min mean from. From where is your father? From where is your father? From where is your father? Abi minal Hind. My father minal Hind, from India. My father is from India. Man akhuka. Man akhuka, who is your brother? Who is your brother? Akhi Mansurun. My brother is Mansur. My brother is Mansur. So you can say Mansur is my brother. Abu Manhaza. Abu Manhaza. Who is your father? Abu Manhaza. Sorry. Okay. Abu Manhaza. This is whose father? Whose father is this? Hada Abu Hasni. He is Hassan's father. He is Hassan's father. Sorry, this. This is Hassan's father. अखू मन हाजा, अखू मन हाजा, whose brother is this? हाजा अखू माहिरिन, he is Mahir's brother. हाजा अखू माहिरिन, he is, oh sorry, this is, हाजा this is Mahir's brother. So far our one portion is finished, and this is the second portion. This is a dialogue. Laila. So this is a dialogue between the Laila and Salma. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wa alaikumus salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So after the greeting, Laila asks, Aina abuki ya Salma. Aina abuki ya Salma. O Salma, where is your father? Where is your father? Aina, where? Aina, where? Where is your father? Huwal ana fish sharikati. Huwal ana. Al ana means now. Al ana, now. Huwal ana fish sharikati. Now he is in company. Now he is in company. Huwa muhandisun. Huwa, he is an engineer. He is an engineer. He is an engineer. Wa aina ummuki. Wa aina ummuki. And where is your mother? Where is your mother? Ummi fi suqi. Ummi, my mother. So Salma replies to Laila, my mother. My mother, fi suqi, in market. Bazaar. My mother, my mother is in market. Ummi fi suqi, my mother is in market. Hal do you, hal lucky do you, akhun brother, do you have brothers? La. La, no. Laisa li akhi. No, I don't have brothers. La laisa, no. La laisa li, I don't have. Akhun, brothers. I don't have brothers. Hal laki ukhtun. Hal laki ukhtun. Lucky we use for the feminine. If masculine we will say hal laka. So Salma and Laila, they both are the feminine, so we use lucky. Hal laki ukhtun. Do you have sisters? Naam li ukhtani. Naam, yes. Li, I have. Ukhtani, two sisters. Yes, I have two sisters. Unziri ila surati ailati. Okay. Yes, I have two sisters. Okay. Unziri ila surati ailati. Look at the picture of my family. Lala man haza. So after seeing the picture of the family, Lala asking man haza, who is this? Who is this? Haza Jaddi. Haza Jaddi. This is my grandfather. Jaddi, my grandfather. This is my grandfather. Waman hazihi. Who is she? Who is she? Who is this? Who is this? Hazihi Jaddati. Hazihi Jaddati. She is my grandmother. Barakallahu fiki wa fi ahliki. So there is a blessing, barakah for you and your family. Wa fiki, and for you too, barakallah. Barakallahu. So for today, I think we should end here, and tomorrow we will complete this all. Tomorrow we will try to finish it. Everything about the family. And next week we will start a new topic. So this lesson we finish. Any of you have question, you can question.